Hey guys, it's Kir. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my drunk blush makeup look. This is not actually the makeup look that I wear like every day. Not every day, but sometimes. Yeah. So as you can see, it's just a simple look. It's like you don't have makeup on, but it's just like to make your face look decent, or like not you're not gonna look like a zombie. So yeah, so if you guys want more videos, then make sure to subscribe down below, and let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with a bare and ugly face. So I'm gonna take this primer from Rimmel, and I'm just gonna be applying it on my face, obviously. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline BB cream, and I'm just going to be applying it in my face as well. And blending it with the brush. Next, I'm going to take this concealer. I don't know what's the name of this concealer. I'm just going to put it down below. And I'm just going to be covering my under eye circles and everywhere I'll place it. So. And I'm gonna blend it with a sponge. Next, I'm gonna take my Bilena pressed powder, and I'm just going to be setting all my foundation, BB cream and concealer out. Next, I'm gonna take this eyebrow pencil from Intuit, and I'm just gonna do my brows. And I'm going to curl my lashes. And for my upper lashes, I'm going to use this Focallure Mascara. And for my lower lashes, I'm going to use this Maybelline Rocket Volume Mascara. So for my lips and cheeks, I'm going to use this lip tint and cheek tint from Fashion 21. And I'm just going to be applying it on my cheeks. And on my lips as well. So yeah, that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoy. Mwah. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!